Go to your blue jeans. I'll show you how to get this. 300. Please subscribe. Here, we gotta go to Bible Spanner and click on the script key link. You get it here. You just gotta wait for this thing to load. And if you're in, by the way, in Discord, in your Boogie Discord, you gotta go to start. Just gotta stop there. And go again, and go back, go again, and go back. Keep going until you get one block, pop block, and you get to the link Loot Tabs GG. This is where it gets easy. Register now and place the bag. You just gotta click this and go back. Just skip that. And this one, you gotta confirm you're a human. So this is we are gonna wait for this. And if this works, you got your ways. There we go. We just gotta click continue, and there, you've done it. And now we just gotta wait for the 40 seconds. Please, guys, wait. I'm gonna AFK. If you guys wanna speed it up, speed. I'm still waiting for the long video. Oops, sorry. Okay, we just gotta wait a little longer. I'm gonna do something. Now, if you have this, if you're all done of this, you just gotta click on the claim reward. And here, you got 1 out of 2 completed. You gotta go with next. Oh, I think we got it wrong. Here we go, guys. We are back. Please, bro. Yes! You still have it. So we just gotta click on next, go back, click next, go back, click next. And if you go to Shopee now, you're not gonna go there. That's useless. There we go, guys. We are back. Sorry for the lag. I'm just gonna delete all of that. Just click next, go back. Click next, go back. Click next, go back. There you go. You got here to the link Loot Tabs again. The important mission we have to do. And do it again. Register. Here. You get here to the perfect area to just complete your mission. This won't take long. There you go. You just gotta wait a little longer, and there, you're done. And there we go. You just gotta wait another second. Please wait, guys. Don't be mad at me. I don't know how to control that much on my YouTube control editor. I just use CapCut. Edit. Okay. No, guys. Pretty good. Mamaya boy na niyo. GG is like pretty weird thing. I don't know what to say. There we go, guys. We're done with it. Now all we gotta do is click on renew over and over again. Go back, again, go back. There we go. And you have succeeded. Here is the script ready. And we got to go to the script. just go back to the Yerbuji script. So we're back here. Here we go. We are need to obtain this script. Put space the script. And there. It's and Luyamore succeed. And you have to get the script. There. And you get a message from there. And copy text. So that's gonna be it for today. Goodbye guys. Subscribe.